Welcome to the first science fair, highlighting the kinda natural development of science and technology.
Science! Science!
This month we'll showcase the most groundbreaking developments in ancient and medieval.
This mace, made by my Mesopotamian ancestors, was the first conscious military innovation. Mace schmace. My ancestors refined the phalanx tactic, the beginning of European military development. Who calls that refinement? My Norman and Frankish ancestors. This science fair is going to be a gold mine for weapons research. I've already got one idea. Get this, a giant mace with tiny swords attached to it. I can't tell if that's cool or if you're trying to trick me. Are you kidding? It's cool as hell. We're gonna have the best weapon, science projects. Yeah, science projects. Flying, exploding, flaming objects. Very interesting. Well, that was uncalled for. This is a science fair, not a continually escalating cycle of one-upsmanship. Those same things. China and UK, you win the Best in Show award for day one with trebuchet, baby! I hope they bring science projects next month. This gives me an idea. Super sus. Well, see you tomorrow, my sneaky friend. Yeah. See you, bro. We both love weapons. Whatever. Well. No one will deny the importance of my first rocket. I'm winning day 2 for sure. Well, I can be a rocket man too, China old boy. Naughty. Okay, everyone. Welcome to this month's edition of the Global Military Industrial Complex Science Fair. Woo! Military! Since our normal fairgrounds are still being repaired, we're now out here in the desert. And yup, everyone brought weapons again. I see. The first rocket. We call it the fire arrow. Yes, one of the earliest gunpowder weapons, a true innovation. That's nothing. Our Masurian rockets influenced the entirety of European rocketry when we used them against Britain.
You guys do know that science fairs can be about...
You did get us, yes. But our brown bass musket was used for over 100 years. Even the Americans used it. Yeah, stole them and used them against you in our revolution. I don't like the way you're pointing that at me. Still mad, bro? My dear boy, this is a science fair. We're all friends here.
Oh, mes amis, your toys are very nice, but La France made the ultimate upgrade. Poudre happy! Oh, dang! Smokeless gunpowder? Not bad, my brother in revolution. With this, we revolutionized the battlefield. No more smoke every... There was no revolution. How about the first submachine gun? Ooh, yeah! The twin Villa Perosa! Not as cool as my entry, but... This was spice and meet the ball led to so many machine gun designs. Germany loved this gun. Why are you guys all so nervous? Hey, wait! Where is Germany? Yeah, good. There he is! Is that a screaming Mimi? Damn it! I should have brought something bigger. I remember those things. Oh, the sound. That horrible sound. Hello, my friends. I don't suppose that's a purely scientific device you... Hey, Germany! What do you got under that? Mamma mia! Not my Volkswagen! Oh, shit! Well, who'd have imagined that everyone's ongoing weapons development would create a global arms race and leave everyone paranoid and jumpy? Oh, yes. Well, maybe if you all didn't bring guns to a science fight, you wouldn't be in this state. Okay, now I'll present my... Anyways, whatever. Germany wins. See you all tomorrow for the final day. Try not to blow up the planet.
But yes, my little Wiener Schnitzels. Bow before the master.
It's gonna need to be bigger. America, we have a proposition for you. What are you up to, my sneaky little turnips? After this, they'll know. Oh, they'll know. We'll show them all. Two can play at this game, old friend. Yup, okay, final month of the GIMC Science Fair, and we're on an island in the middle of the Pacific because our previous host locations won't have us back due to existential fear. What now? I imagine we've all learned a valuable lesson over the course of the past year.
Yes, you are absolutely right.
Oh, would you like to illuminate us all?
Huh?
The lesson.
Oh, I don't actually know. You said everyone learned, and I just didn't want to seem like I...
You know, you don't need to pretend to know things. There's no harm in asking.
Oh, right. I guess that's true.
The lesson is, if we all focus on building new and crazier weapons because of our in-group fears of others, the world becomes more dangerous and... Atom bomb! His name is Little Boy!
What? I got tired of not winning, so I made a bomb that can destroy entire cities. Now no one can hurt me or my friends, and everyone, everywhere is safe forever.
Oh, dear.
All right, well,
Yep, okay, you win.
damn right I do, and I did it on my own.
Oh, come on, man.
Fine.
Great. You win. Science fair over.
What?
No demonstration?
I didn't use a trail of sushi to lure Japan to the center of that conveniently circled island for nothing. What? Here we go! Well, do I win or do I win, jerks?
This is audible. Yes, this has gone completely off the rails. Not so fast, little plum blossoms. Oh, gotta be. This isn't gonna be good. Worry not, friendos. I am just here to inform you that I have won. This was supposed to be an exploration of science, not a nightmarish race to the bottom prisoner's dilemma. Say hello to my little friend, Special Jet Engine, 30 times the blast you of your little boy.
Oh yeah? How about this? The B-41, 25 megatons!
Oh yeah? Meet Zor Bamba, 50 megatons, 3,000 times more powerful than your little boy. Please stop. Could we disqualify them? You're taking this way too far. I'm not the president of the country balls, unfortunately. Only their citizens can keep them accountable. Hey, right.